this entire round of products is very luxe. I slid this out. And hey guys, I'm Monica and you're watching Customized Close-Up, where I'll go through all of the different customization options for the summer box. So this season we're actually social distancing, so I'm doing this from my home, but still wanted to make sure that you guys got all the details you needed to customize your box. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stay engaged, make sure your post notifications are on, like camera action, we're in it. The Terre Mère Aloe and Tea Tree Toner is wonderful. So it will tone your skin, sloth away, reveal brand new skin just underneath. I love a good toner for exactly doing that. It's a really important step to have after you cleanse, but before you moisturize, to make sure that you're giving yourself just perfectly balanced canvas to do your magic. So yeah, the aloe vera for being super hydrating, great for the dry skin, but then the tea tree oil comes in and does its thing. It's a great antioxidant, so super helpful for protecting against any kind of pollutants or dry air. And then to use this, pour out like a quarter-sized amount onto like a cotton pad, sweep it over your face. Bam. So moving on to the Zoë Ayla Ice Roller. This is a really cool way to get any kind of like cold therapy just from your own home. You put it in the freezer, maybe even the fridge. Depends on how sensitive your skin is to like, you know, iciness. But you take it out and you can roll it upwards motions on your face, your neck, your décolletage, your body. It is a face and body ice roller, so super versatile. And I like the ergonomic handle. It's kind of easy to keep a good grip on it. So it's a little big to use like directly underneath the eye, but it's really great for helping decrease puffiness, decreasing redness, and just helping with fluid drainage like all over the face, all over the body. Anywhere you roll it, it's gonna do its thing. It's also super helpful for soothing irritated skin. This chilled, not frozen cold, rolled over gently once the burn kind of started to ease off a bit. Super pleasant, super soothing. Yeah, it was a lifesaver. So right now I have the silked satin pillow sleeve. It's a good size, so you can see will definitely fit like your standard pillowcase. So good night's sleep is actually as important as ever. I know for me, I've really been trying to turn my phone off at like 9 o'clock and just take some time to get into bed, do my face mask routine, and then rest my head on this soft and gentle pillow sleeve, you know? And your usual cotton pillowcase is fine, but what it doesn't do is give you the soft, gentle sheen protection of your skin. It really kind of packs a punch. And then for your hair is perfect because it prevents breakage, frizz. It's definitely a great tool to have in your hair care arsenal. So since it's a sleeve, it's open-ended on both sides. You're just gonna slide it on like right over your pillow, just zoop. I don't want to be too biased, but I think I'm definitely gonna pick this one. It's just super soft. So that's it for Customized Close-Up. Again, I'm Monica. It's been very real. So only select members get to customize out of this series of options. So if you're not a select member, to upgrade right now. Select members can customize from May 2nd to May 5th. Seasonal members can customize from May 15th to May 18th. Enjoy, really talk to us, let us know out of these options which ones you're feeling. If you're not a member, sign up, do what you gotta do to get first pick at these choices. Mwah! Until next time.